The Universe cards, number 22. Active Galaxy. Keyword: Turbulence. Interpretation. Drawing the Active Galaxy card indicates that some disruption is entering your life. You may be in for a turbulent, unsettling time as you adjust to changes imposed on you by your environment. Although the turbulence indicated by this card is external, what you experience may cause you to react inwardly in many ways. You are likely to feel some anxiety or even fear. Your future is in the balance, and if you resist change, you may simply increase the level of anxiety for yourself. You may want to bury your head in the sand and try to pretend that nothing is happening, but denial will simply make the changes more difficult to deal with in the long run. Even if you feel you are being treated unfairly, try to meet this period of turbulence head-on and embrace it. If you ride this time of turbulence with flexibility, much like a surfer rides a wave, you may find that ultimately this is a very creative period for you. Try to accept that you will feel rather anxious during this time and stand back from the situation. View things in the long term. This will help you decide what to do and also when to act, for things cannot stand still in times of turbulence. The Active Galaxy card, number 22, indicates that you need to act decisively in this situation, rather than remaining passive and hoping to preserve the status quo. By acting appropriately at the right time, you will be able to ride the turbulence more smoothly. If you resist and deny, you run the risk of being swept away.